trail for hiking. Don't take too long. Come here. Where Hannah? Hannah go with grandpa already? There's someone fishing. 2 people.
It's probably more than that.
Yeah, Hannah. Let's go, let's go.
Harry, go. Go, Harry.
Boy. I like their bottom to see the tree. ถ้า when go home, go inside the car, gather too fast. Gather the one.
Yeah. That's where both the rivers come together.
Boy, very good boy. Be careful. Gather, Hannah, be careful. On top. Today no water. ที่ร้าน open เลย โอ้โห she the one want air condition. Heather, you cannot lazy exercise. This good for you. Come here. Too full. Good boy, good girl.
Well, we've been waiting for the road to reopen. At 1:30, they said we can go.
This with the brown rice and it.
Interesting. Thank you.
Look.
Yeah, maybe it rolls over or something. Oh gosh. That's not gas. Oh, accident. Yeah.
The truck same from work, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like construction. Why? You want to sit with me? Hannah sit here. Look, Hannah not feel good. Oh. เล่นน้ำน่ะดูแต่แหน่ะ โอ้น้ำแหน่ feel good.
Yeah, Hannah. Go get it. Go get it. Her head.
I make short video
Her
for
head in
them.
the car. Good boy. Harry.
Good girl, Hannah.
Harry, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
We
Go
too
get it,
far.
Harry. Get it.
You not go too far. I'll close more.
Good girl. Good girl, Hannah. These sticks in here.
Good girl.
Good girl. All right, Charlie.
Go, Mom.
In the water? I got these things. You got those shoes.
That's a good girl. That is so good. Bye. Oh, you guys so cute. Say something, me. One word.
Love you.
Have TV here. Look at Hannah, how she different.
Yeah, I know.
Heather. Hey, where Harry? Daddy boy.
No, he's not far. Oh, here they are.
Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Heather, can I clean the seat? Heather makes so dirty.
I know. And not allowed camping down there.
Too much to take care. Heather, stay.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto County Road 742.
I want to check what they have here. Look at the big rock here. Wow. Neat.
Wow, look at this. Oh, we're over there.
Oh, well, life is love when the fan here.
Okay, we're cooking in the rain right now. We just cooked some carne asada. Now we're cooking onions and chili, and we're cooking gizzards for the dogs.
Oh, rain.
Makes it exciting. Heather, what are you doing?
I try to cover.
I don't know what she's doing though.
She wants to see, she smell her food already. Almost ready.
Man, the tortilla's burning, honey.
Yeah.
Just put them. You could just put them on the side right there.
It's so hot.
Right over here.
Yeah. Still hot. This like good. It's still cooking.
Yeah, maybe put some of them back on there.
Maybe I can cook this more.
Yeah. You want to put lettuce on it too?
Wait. Okay. It's yummy. Ah, we make so good for you. Black chili. Oh, this may be spicy. I smell spicy already. Oh, this good.
That's good. Dogs are all waiting for food.
Yeah. Wait, look my food. This and have chili everything. Alright.
Isn't that good?
So good. You be careful. The jalapeno so spicy.
I'm not eating any of that.
So spicy. It's good. We not have time. Rain almost coming. We should eat fast. Get the dog. It's good. Wait ก่อนทำคาสูน Look our area all not
I know.
see
All disorganized.
yeah you we make night for tonight now we make our bed good for sleep here now
Is this trash right here? This grapes? You could take a picture of the sun.
yeah
And then I'll take a picture.